DJM TV.
Anambra State lawyers don declare strike over insecurity matter. My betalicious somebody there, I welcome you to yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you take see this our video. This is DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for all your news them and gist of what they happen for inside Nigeria and all around the world. No matter what we carry console, na something like say they very important based on say it concern a set of people for this country wey be like say they make the laws of the country, and they be the judiciary, they enforce the law rather. Now lawyers for Anambra State, they don declare 3-day strike beginning from 22nd of March 2021 for inside Anambra State. Now lawyers na very important part of the society because na them na they interpret the law when it comes to legal issues. They do many things, they get many functions, and for them to say they won't go on strike for 3 days, it means say something dey sup for where they dey. Now lawyers for Anambra State, they don't declare their strike wey start on the 22nd of March 2021. This na over the insecurity threat for the state and as it take concern them. Now one Frank Onuachi wey be like say bad people they carry, they don't discover say the guy don't leg over go the other side. Now hoodlums they recently they terrorize the state, and they don't move not fewer than 6 policemen, 4 naval men, and prison warders and several others. They don also set police stations ablaze for the same kind similar situation them. Remember say never thought be like say this government they attack motor where they carry prisoners come from court. They attack the motor, poof the prison warders and the prison personnel they wait inside the motor, carry the prisoners comot. Nobody don't know who the prisoner be and why they carry and comot. But this na one of the things that would dey happen. As such, on the 19th of March 2021, the Nigerian Bar Association for Anambra State, after they don review the situation, ordered their members to boycott the court sittings for the state for 3 days, beginning from 22nd of March 2021. For the statement, we like say 8 chairmen of the branch for the state sign. E read, the committee of chairman and secretaries of the Nigerian Bar Association branches in Anambra State don dey cry over the worsening security situation for inside the state, and they call on the federal government, the Anambra State government, and heads of security agencies to wake up and to be alive to their responsibilities of protecting lives and property of the citizen. The committee notes say the security situation for Anambra State, it don't they quickly they hot, that they hot, and it don't they fear even the smallest person, because it could be like say nah nobody this safe for inside the state. They say recently cases of a kidnap and jipiti and spoofing of innocent citizens and security personnel for inside the state don't they happen, and nothing don't happen to the people them. Another the government don't do anything to curb this frightening and security challenge for inside the state. They also for that was just last week Friday, one lawyer Frank Onuachi, will be the President General of Omo in Ayamelu local government area of Anambra State. They packed the guy along Ezu River and Anoku Road, and they poof am based on saying called kick iron bucket, go join in ancestors for the other side. They also told us on the 19th of March 2021, 2 prison officers were they leg over go the other side for a Kulobia Aguta local government area. And this na barely 24 hours after Navy officers and policemen they leg over for Akuzu and Neni respectively. They say also one naval outpost close to the bridge head, them attack am between for some weeks, and they got result to the spoofing of some naval officers, and these people they got carry their weapons comot. As such, The Bar Association dey call on the state government to, as a matter of urgency, summon a meeting of various security agencies in the state to address this worrisome security situation and tackle it headlong. They say failure by the state government to act immediately may lead to a descent of anarchy. They call further to say all of us no go fit continue to dey pre ten d as if the security situation e good or everything dey well. Say the time to act na now. While the NBA, Nigerian Bar Association Otoche branch, dey condole with the families of late Frank Onochi and all the security men wey be like say dis government dem don poof. The lawyers don resolve say all the lawyers for the state go boycott all the courts from 22nd of March 2021 to 24th of March 2021. And they say all the lawyers dem go converge and they go continue their we no go gree waka to the government house for Awka to express their dissatisfaction with the current security situation for inside Anambra State. The secretary to the Anambra State government, Solomon Chukwulobelu, don lament say the rate of all these bad things wey dey happen for inside the state, e don dey turn to another thing and the thing dey totalize everybody, including the governor, as e come be like say nobody come even dey safe for inside their house. Mr. Chukwulobelu don talk say however the government don put measures in place to check the insecurity matter for inside the state. E tok say one joint task force dem don come together to make sure say all dis kind wahala and problem dem no happen again for inside the state, while community vigilante group and leaders of the town union dem don also tell dem wetin dem go do on top dis matter wey happen. Meanwhile, the lawyers dem don start their we no go gree waka wey dey slate to happen between 22nd of March and 24th of March. Now they say dem no go court, dem no go do any court sitting, anything wey suppose to do for court between these 3 days, e no concern dem, dem no go put mouth for inside. As a matter of fact, anything wey happen within that period, make dem no call any of dem for inside the matter, sake of say their colleague wey be like say leg over kick iron bucket go join the ancestors, the matter still dey pain dem well for body. The lawyers dey see dem for street for Anambra State, for the Awka state capital, as dem dey march along the road, dey go front, dey go back, dey do we no go gree make government end insecurity matter for the state as e take concern legal practitioners and every other person for inside Anambra State. Now many people don react on top dis lawyers dem wey dey strike. You know say for Nigeria, e hardly get anything wey dey happen wey be like say people no go react. People don react talk say wetin dey happen? Which of lawyers dey go on strike? When e be like some people say as dem even go on strike, e even good. E go send tough message to the governor Obaino of Anambra State say dis thing no be joke matter, you no suppose use dis kind matter dey take dey play, based on say life and property of the citizen dey very important and na the duty of the government to protect dem. Now wetin I dey talk now be say some people come dey talk say when dem dey do dis EndSARS protest and all of that, dis lawyers dem no come out. Say now wey the matter don concern dem directly, you understand, like e don pain dem, e don touch dem directly, dem don come outside dey come strike. Say wetin come be the use of the strike? Because many people no believe say the strike even dey important at all. Say many people no go even notice the strike sef, based on say how many people dey even dey go court apart from those wey get matter wey dey happen for court. But many other people don come outside come say no, make una no talk like that. As dis lawyers dey waka so for street dey do we no go gree on top dis strike matter, the governor go come lis ten, go come make the governor know say the matter na very serious matter, and as such dem go take drastic measure to make sure say all dis kind thing dey no happen again. So you sef wey still lis ten to the news, so how you see the matter? Dis lawyer their strike, e good? E make sense abi e no make sense? No forget to drop your comment for the comment section. Dis na still DJM TV daily news update. No forget say we dey on YouTube, we dey on Twitter, we dey on Instagram, we dey on Facebook, and we also dey on TikTok. do well to follow us on all our social media platforms. And as you don watch this video, so abeg, this na the first time wey you dey see any of our videos, make you no forget to hit the subscribe button and then make you touch that bell wey near the subscribe button, so that anytime wey we drop news like this, you go be one of the first persons to know say DJM TV dem don come again with another better ogbongelicious news. And in case you be market person, you fit place your advert with us, any advert at all, concerning your business or whatever. Maybe you get program wey you wan do, you get training wey you wan do advert, you fit place your advert with us and we go make sure say your advert go reach the right audience there wey you want make e reach. We get very wide coverage. We get wide coverage for everywhere for all our social media platform. If you wan place your advert with us, make you check our bio there. You go see our number, then you contact us and we will continue so that your business go dey go siriri werere. Well, na here we take come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. My name still remain Lawowe Favour, and I dey tell you to say this life, security na everybody concern. No wait until the matter affect you before you begin dey chook mouth put for inside security matter. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM